how to create TikTok account. So if you want to create a TikTok account, then all you have to do is open up your TikTok app, and then on the bottom corner you will have a profile icon. Tap on that, and here it will give you an option of sign up. Tap on sign up, and here you will have 4 options. You can either use your phone number or your email address, or you can continue with Facebook, Google, Twitter, and so on. So if you don't have an account, then you can sign up for TikTok. But if you already have an account, then on the bottom corner you will have login. You can simply tap on login and then you will be logged in. So for creating a TikTok account, tap on phone or email, and then here enter your phone number, and then you can also use email, which is on the right side. So here you can enter your email address and you can create a TikTok account with your email address. For now I'll be using my phone number, and then you can tap on send code. It is asking you to verify. After entering your code, then it will ask you to enter your birthday. So enter that, tap on next, and then here it is asking you to create a password. So the password must have at least 8 characters and a letter and a number, a special character, for example like hashtag, question mark, exclamatory mark, dollar, or at the rate, anything. So here create your password and then tap on next, and that's it guys. That's how you create a TikTok account, and then you'll be ready to use your TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.